Alrighty, BRE, here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got set on CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got an Eagle rotating assembly in it. Custom DSS Pistons. We've got our own induction and stuff on it. Obviously, you're going to put some of your own stuff on it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600 or 372 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 438, peak horsepower 502, so right at 500, everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things. Save your engine, find the thing with the credit card, USB card for technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.